Boom, baby. We are back. Project Frankenstein. Today we're going to, I don't know what we're going to do. Honestly, I have no idea. Might be a short video. Maybe I can find something cool to do. We're getting close to the engine being done, which is awesome. So that should be done pretty soon. Sam's kind of on the tail end of it, which is nice. So I just want to make sure we're ready on this end. So when he pulls up, or when I pull up to get it, whatever it is, we're ready to go. Alright, so let's check it out, baby. Boom. Yeah, so here's what we're looking at. We got all that. We got all that. That's looking better. I mean, this thing's really, oh, that's what I gotta do. I gotta paint this stuff. Yeah, I need to sand all this and paint it for sure. All right, let's get to work. Yeah, it definitely fell again. Glad I put the jack stands there. They did their job. Wait, why is there fluid right there? Where's that fluid from? Huh. Alright, well, that's cool. Yeah, there's a bit of fluid under here. I wonder if that's just old oil or something that dripped down. Or maybe that cleaner stuff that I sprayed. Probably. Okay. That's crazy this thing fell again. I might have to get like a stand or jack for it for when I put this thing back together. Alright, so where's my scraper thing? Let's see if we can get some more of this stuff off. Just trying to get all these bits and pieces clean. Alright, so I don't know if you can tell, but here's more of the cleaned up engine bay. I think what I'm going to do is get sandpaper next and start sanding some of this stuff. I feel like it's every time I clean something, I find even more dirt. It's kind of a never-ending deal, but we'll get it. Boom. You guys, I just got great news. My engine's almost done. We could have it back as early as next weekend. I'm going to hedge just, you know, it might be the following weekend, but either this weekend or the next weekend, we'll have that thing back. What? Yeah, really excited about that. Okay, so the last time we were out here, there was a wire, and I've seen this wire several times and just never got around to it, that ran through the entire length of the truck, but did nothing. I don't know if they used to have it for a stereo, or what the deal was. But let's get rid of that. I think it's right here. Yeah, so this cable right here. So let's get rid of that. Here. I have no idea why it's here, but it runs through the whole length of the car. I mean, it's obviously been cut. It ended up here. Only guess I can guess is maybe like stereo system, but nothing's using that. This says welding cable on it. Let's see, what does it say? Welding cable. Interesting. Let's crawl under and pull it out. It's definitely getting cleaner in here. Which is good. Alright. Grab my gloves. Leave my water there. Oh, I need like a knife or something. Something to cut it with. So, we are under the truck. There is that cable, which is right there, which runs there, all the way down. All right, let's crawl back there just to make sure. Okay, we moved down, so we're now behind the back tires. Okay, so there's the cable again. I don't know if you can see it. Right there. Dang, this lighting's not really playing along. Oh, it looks like they ran it for the fuel tank. Is that what they did? That's funny. Okay, so that's where the cable ends. It's attached to nothing. Maybe they set it up for the fuel tank, but I mean, we already have that wire in there. It's already connected and working. So I don't, and that wouldn't even be the proper gauge. So it's kind of crazy, but you can see runs all the way up. So let's cut that off. I really don't see the point in just leaving it there. And since I don't really have a ton of things to do right now, but the engine's coming back, so that's awesome. But yeah, so I might as well just cut that bad boy off. So let's do that right now. Bam. So I got all this pulled out, which is cool, from back there. Now they got it stuck up here somehow, so I'm just trying to see where it's zip tied. Oh, okay. That's good. Maybe I can pull it out now. Let's go back to the top part. At the front of the truck up here. Let's see. All right, there's the wire. Let's see. Let's just see if I can pull it from the top. Hold on. That's okay. We're gonna get some stuff done, no matter what. All right, so let's get this bad boy. Really need to get some new gloves. These are horrendous. Alright. So, I'm gonna pull out this last part. This zip tie right here should do it. Actually, you know what? So I just... Right now, crap. There's gotta be another zip tie in there somewhere. Uh-oh. Well, and even if this was for something, this cable is destroyed. Oh, maybe the antenna? I don't know. So weird. All right, well, let's go under there and get the other piece of it. Trying to figure out what this thing's connected to. It's weird. I can't even see the zip tie. Here, I'll show you what I mean. So I don't know if you can see. Shoot. Probably not. But neither can I. That's the problem. So I'm trying to see where that thing loops in. Okay, cool, I got it. I think it was just pinched on the frame rail somehow. But I pulled it out. So let's pull it out to the top part. Boom. Yeah, baby. It's already hot. I'm already dying of heat under here. But, no scorpions crawled on me, so that's good. I'll take it. Ah, these rocks suck. Yeah, let's just pull this bad boy out. All right. Look at that. It's crazy. Cool. We got it. So, since we should have the engine as soon as next week, I think unfortunately I messed up on the timing and we're not going to have time to paint the engine bay. However, we can still get that done after. So I think everything's looking good enough for now. When I put it back in, I'll probably go through here and tie up some of the loose ends. I do need to fix that, which I could fix after we put the engine in. Because, I mean, it'll be sitting low enough. What I might do is just maybe mark it with a marker on the bottom side so I know exactly where it is. I'd like to get all new exhaust done soon too, so there's that. Alright, let's get out of this heat. What do you guys say? I think that's enough for today. Ah. Boom, baby. Look at this thing. Why did they have this? As always, thank you guys for watching. Do appreciate it. Boom. And make sure to like, subscribe, hit the little bell, all that good stuff. No, but I do appreciate it. We're gonna get Frankenstein almost done here, so it's pretty exciting stuff, baby. Yeah.